When I hear your name, it all just sounds like.
Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo guy here. I just want to show you how my gadget will perform even in the city stop and go traffic. Right now we're driving in the stop and go traffic during rush hour. You can see that my device is attached to my iPhone, and the music is currently playing through this old car radio, which only has a cassette player to it and the radio. So let's just take a minute to listen to the music and see how the music, how the sound's coming through.
Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. My pride, my ego, my needs, and my selfish ways caused a good, strong woman like you to walk out my life.
In half a mile, turn left onto Songshan Road.
You can hear that the GPS instructions also coming through while we drive.
And it haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all
Let's hear the GPS again.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Songshan Road.
To realize that I should have bought you flowers.
You can hear that the music will fade out a bit
In a quarter mile,
when
turn
you
left
drive,
onto Songshan
and the
Road.
GPS instruction will come through, and the music resume to its loudness.
Can't get to everybody 'cause all you want
Let me unplug the device and plug it back in, and you have to hit play.
Now my baby's dancing.
You can hear that the music's coming through loud and clear, even while we're traveling through the city in the rush hour traffic. You can see that there are many cars around, and the traffic is actually pretty busy, but the music's coming through loud and clear without any sort of a static or distortion. Let's hear the GPS
I
again.
know I'm probably much too late to try.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Songshan Road.
Want you to know.
See that? Okay, so you get this device from iPhoneFMTransmitter.com. iPhoneFMTransmitter.com. This is Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.